But there's no surround sound feel, but they feel real.
Okay. Hi guys, zpolt here. Welcome to my lab. So I have Jamie here.
Hello.
We are gonna do a blind test, a bird box test.
Blind test.
We have all the popular earphones in this channel in this table, and Jamie's gonna listen to each one. So each one of these ranges from super cheap, like $5, to enormous prices. We're gonna find out what Jamie thinks is the best sound. A bit of a background: Jamie doesn't know anything about earphones, so it doesn't matter if she has a blindfold or not. So it's still a blind test because she doesn't know anything.
This is my favorite earphone.
Yeah, she only cares about the color. In the end, we're gonna choose top three best sounding of the bunch. Are you ready?
What? Okay.
Let's start with this first. So Jamie's listening now.
I like this one.
Why?
How do I explain this? Well, first of all, I love music with bass. I don't know how to explain, but I
Okay.
like the surround sound feel.
Okay, great. So, first earphone, she likes it, and she likes the surround sound and kind of a bassy kind of tone. Let's move on to the next. And of course, I'm gonna display what this is in the screen.
I don't even know how to place this in my ears. Also like surround sound, but lesser bass. Like softer, and then they sound like equal. I don't know what I'm saying. Compared to the other one, I like the other one.
Okay, great. So for those of you guys who doesn't know, Jamie is a photographer. She's a creative. So she has that eye for detail, but she just can't describe what she's saying. Let's move on to the next.
I have to press it down because it doesn't fit my ears. It's also softer, but it doesn't have the surround sound feel.
So you still like the
First one.
Okay, next earphone. Let's see if she likes it.
The details are sharper. The band sounds real. Yeah, well, I personally prefer bass.
This too is your favorite so far?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is something that I haven't reviewed yet in the channel, but of course.
What? I'll be the first one to review?
Yeah.
Like, I hear a lot of bass.
Okay.
Have you tried this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait. So hard to decide. Like, I kind of like it too, but
Okay.
but there's no surround sound feel, but they feel real.
Okay.
What?
So it's also good sounding. It's also
Yeah.
good sound. Okay.
Yeah, it's also good sounding. Now I want to listen to the first one again. This is still lesser bass.
Okay.
Yeah, but compared to the previous ones, this has more bass. But compared to the first one, it has more bass than this.
Okay. She's so good, right? She can listen to. She hears it. So still the winner, guys, is the first one. Contestant number 1.
It's gonna be my next favorite. It has gold.
Yes. Is it the best looking one so far for you?
Yeah, I like this one. Can I have this?
No.
Yeah, like there's a diffuser or something.
It's veiled sounding. Okay.
What?
It's veiled sounding.
Okay. I don't know how to describe it. But I'll buy this definitely because it looks good. I mean, it's not bad. The sound is not bad, but with the looks and sound, I might buy this.
Do you like it? No.
Compared to the others, no.
So still the first one.
Yeah. It's so sharp. It's hurting my ears.
Too fatiguing sounding.
Yeah.
Okay. So still the first one is your favorite? Surprising, guys. Surprising.
Really?
So for those of you guys still watching, let me know down below what you think. What earphone you think will win the comparison.
It's also sharp. Yeah.
You don't like it?
Yeah.
It's too sharp?
Well, it's not my preference.
Okay. But do you like the sound? Is it good sounding? Is it?
Yeah, it's good. But actually, all of these are good for me. But yeah, I prefer like bass sound. I don't want to review this.
Why?
I don't know, it sounds cheap.
Sounds cheap. Why?
I don't know.
Why does it sound cheap?
I don't know why.
Sige,
People
go.
will kill me.
No.
Like it's a bit muffled.
Okay.
And then this sounds like the tin can. Guys,
Okay,
don't
fair
kill
enough.
me, guys.
Fair enough. You can say what you want.
Sorry, guys.
Okay, next earphone. So far, what is your top 3 out of all these?
This one,
Okay. Contestant number 1
this second,
and 4.
and this.
Okay. And 5.
I can use this. I mean, well, it's not that surround sound, but it has a softer feel.
Mhm.
I mean, like all the details are equal, but it sounds nice in the ears. I mean, yeah, I can use this. Maybe this is my 4th.
4th. Okay. So still this 3 and then
Yeah.
this. Okay. This guy.
It's silver. Guys, don't kill me, okay? It also has a muffled sound.
Okay.
No sharp details. Yeah.
Okay. Do you like it?
I can use it, but not in
Is
the
it not top ranking?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So,
And for the special feature, let's test my earphones.
okay, so now we're gonna declare a winner. Our top 3 for today.
Yeah.
Okay, so number 3, top 3 would be.
It's this.
Okay.
What's this?
Okay, so this is the VJJB N30.
Which you haven't reviewed yet.
Not
right?
yet. So how much do you think this is?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Okay,
2,000.
2,000. It's around 2,200 pesos or around $60. So she got it correct. Next would be.
This one.
Okay, this is the KZZSN.
Yeah, I love the color too.
Okay, how much do you think this one is?
Maybe like higher. 2,500.
2.5. This is just 700 pesos.
What? Are you kidding me?
Yeah,
Really?
700 pesos. So the KZSN is my top 1 recommendation under $20. So yeah, you see why.
Amazing.
Okay, and then the number 1, first one would be.
This one.
Okay, so this is the TFZ Exclusive 3. And how much do you think this is?
I'm like 2,500.
2.5. This 3,000 pesos.
Oh.
Okay.
I was supposed to say 3,000, but like,
Yeah, this is one of the most expensive ones here.
okay, not bad. This is my favorite.
Okay, so I'm gonna also reveal to Jamie the other prices here.
Okay.
So let's start with this first. This is the most expensive.
Really?
How much do you think this is? This is the Shure 846. Yeah,
That's the most expensive.
most expensive.
5,000.
No,
What? 8?
no,
What? 10?
no,
20?
no.
What? How much is this? Like 30?
It's around 40.
Really? Oh no.
Yeah, the most expensive one. Okay, and this is the KZS4. She also likes this. This is around
What, 2,000?
900 pesos, 700 pesos.
Not bad. Is this my top 4?
Yeah.
Okay, this is my top 4.
And then this one, this is the TRN IM1. She says she doesn't like it. How much do you think this is?
1,500.
Okay, yeah, it's 1.5. Exactly 1.5. Okay, and this one. Let's not go to each one. This is the Opera Factory OM1. How much do you think this is?
This is like my favorite in terms of style and sound. Could be maybe like 2,000.
Okay, 1.6.
Oh,
Around $30. So she has it almost correct, the prices. So the winner for our blind test bird box test for today is the exclusive 3 first place. Second place would be the KZZSN, and the third place would be the BVJJB, and 30, which I'm gonna review pretty soon, so make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for that as well. And this is the bird box test for today with Jamie.
Yes. Bye.
And of course, subscribe, leave a like if you learned something, and comment down below what you think of Jamie's Jamie's choices. Is it surprising, not surprising? Is it expected, not expected? Let me know down below. And of course, this is zpolt. Subscribe if you learned something. Stay tuned here in the lab for more comparisons like this. And in the future, more reviews, earphone reviews here in zpolt Labs. And I'm gonna see you guys, or we're gonna see you guys in the next video.
Bye.